Today I'm gonna be making chocolate cakes. It could be one cake, won't matter, just giving my spin on it. So what you're gonna need first is 1.5 packet of cooking chocolate and 200 grams of butter. And you wanna melt them in a pot on low to medium heat. So yeah, make sure it's runny like this. Now crack in 2 eggs and add 1.5 cups of sugar or two. And I've just used a bowl for measuring purposes, so whatever. Now mix the eggs up till it becomes this sort of runny but somewhat thick texture. I always say texture, but I'm trying to make a point here, so yeah. Now add the chocolate mixture into the eggs and mix it all up. I'm trying to add every bit of chocolate there is, so yeah, hence why it's taking me a bit longer. You can also add hazelnuts and walnuts to this mixture as well. Now add 2 cups of flour. Use the bowl again for measuring purposes, as I said, but add the flour gradually while mixing. So after that, just add 1 cup of milk gradually as well and mix it carefully until it becomes this nice creamy batter. Now transfer it into a pan and bake it for about an hour to 45 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. And that's about it. I know it's a short recipe, but you can also decorate this with hazelnuts or walnuts. Apply with some honey as well on top. And yeah, it's a pretty nice cake.